Hello, and thank you for watching my YouTube video. I have a small scrapbook.com haul. I picked up some scrapbook cardstock from Crate Paper and American Crafts, something from Altenew, and the Heidi Swapp toner stamping kit. So let me show you the cardstock that I picked up. So this one I picked up is from American Crafts, and the name on this one, doesn't have one, The Color of Memories. And the pages are thin. I thought they were going to be a little bit more sturdier, but they are thin paper. So these are acorns, and I picked up three of them. Getting ready for fall. So I picked those up, and they are not double-sided. It's just one-sided. The next one was this one from American Crafts, and this one is The Color of Memories also. And I picked up 3 of them. And I think if you're interested, that's the number that you have to look for, the 624406. And then the first one, the acorn, is 624447. So that's the first one, and this one is the second one. And I love the deers and the duck. Reminds me of summer again. The next one is American Crafts, and I only picked up 2, and this one is 624441, and it's hearts. I thought of fussy cutting them, maybe. And then the next one I picked up was 624407. That's how that looks. They were 89 cents each sheet. And then the last one I picked up was 2 sheets of this 624424. And it's teapots with some teacups, and then the little tin for the tea. You could fussy cut these, which I thought that's what I was going to do. So they're cute. And you can have so many teacups. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of the tea tins. So that's pretty. The next thing I picked up was the Heidi Swapp toner stamping kit. And I do have the toner, but I couldn't find the stamp on its own, so I said let me just buy it, because I kept searching and searching, and you needed to buy the whole set. So this one has I think it comes with three foams, if I'm not mistaken. So it comes with the toner stamp pad, 2 toner stamp refill pads, and 1 2-ounce of the toner bottle, and then the measuring cup, 1/34 ounce of the measuring cup. So you could gold foil with this, and you could use your regular stamps, I believe, if you use this. That's why I picked that up. And then I picked up this Altenew wax melting seal, and the reason I picked this one up was because mine that I got from AliExpress, they're so tiny that I can't fit 2 or 3 of the wax seals in them. But this one is much bigger, as you can see. And let me just show you. How tiny is this wax seal from AliExpress? Look at the difference. It's so tiny. So you couldn't put 2 of the wax seal. You only could put like one or 2, and this one you could put 3 or 4 in there. As you can see, let me show you. You could put 1, 2, 3, and 5 in here, and you can note it. But the other one you could only put and 2, and it's overflowing. So that's why I picked it, because I've noticed with this one, though, when you go to stamp the metal down, you don't have enough wax to make it get the image of the stamp. So I picked that one up from Altenew. I think I'm gonna pick up 2 more. And I love the heaviness of it. So that's, hopefully it works for my wax seals. And then I did get a free die, and this one says celebrate. So scrapbook.com gave you a free gift when you ordered, and this was celebrate 1 piece. And that is it for my cardstock and for my little haul. As always, if you have any questions or if you need the numbers again for the cardstock, just leave me a message down below and I get to you with the information. Thank you, and give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.